Rejoice, for we have returned. Episode 3.
Woo!
Yeah!
Let's do it!
Let's
You need to bring Vor
You're
down.
loving the game.
He thinks he can capture you
Gaan we door
again.
naar de 4?
Don't worry.
And don't forget
I
to
will be with
upgrade
you.
your
Let
sniper.
us show him how much you have learned.
Or bow!
Are you ready,
I
Lieutenant?
did
Facing Vor is the only way to rid
I got a
yourself of him
blueprint. Weaponsmith.
permanently.
Yeah, I got it too.
Everyone ready?
50 archer wings launchers, 10 airports.
Yeah, you got the sniper?
Oh, no, no!
I think we're gonna enjoy it.
We'll see, won't we? We'll see.
We're gonna see.
Hey.
Okay. If I'm doing right now all the daily quests, then I get a black knight.
I pressed random colors and it became pink and gold.
I'm now on page 9.
Ah.
I like it, I'm keeping it.
Go to now. What? Ah, confront. Ah, now we need to kill him. Or at least confront him.
Yep, let's do
Time on
this!
shine.
I like to kill him more than I like to talk.
Well, you don't know what his reasons are.
I think if you kill him, he will be mad.
The order is kill, I kill. No talking, no whining, crying.
No!
Yeah.
Zo de tweede keer. Nee!
That looked like a big potato.
This is our chance. Vor has been stripped of his elite guard. He is vulnerable.
potato.
Take him out.
I'm making a joke, bro.
Sorry for the noise.
Okay, I'll be right back.
This is our chance. Vor has been stripped of his elite guard. He is vulnerable. Take him out.
Why are we using the elevators? We're so strong and powerful.
I don't know. Let's just do it to it.
Going to use
I
it
could
now.
have saved the Grenier, but they cast them out. Maybe it's
I
Sorry.
found some people.
fate to draw your divine blood.
Woo!
Yeah, first impression of the sniper.
Well, certainly does the damage.
For sure. I don't think it's that different with the bow. With the damage and stuff.
How do we get up there?
Waarom wacht je niet?
Oh, there.
Here, side, left side.
He's got.
Hold on.
I will wait, I will wait, I will wait. I will grind here. Oh shit.
Oh, she fell down. Come on the elevator.
Let's go up, up.
And then up here. Oops. The other way.
I will put you down like a rabbit coop.
Oh my bad. We were here. No,
You've been
you're
seen.
Sorry, I thought you were upstairs. Damn it.
Alarms successfully hacked. The location is returning to normal security levels.
Damn it.
Come on, I need more guys. More stuff to kill.
Yeah.
Everything dies so quickly.
They're
Yeah.
not so strong.
Oh, wrong side.
Let's head to the next elevator here.
Why, there's so much more, guys, man. So much more.
More to explore over there.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Couple of guys here. More guys, more loot as well.
wow. Already then.
We can go straight on or go upstairs. You're coming or are you staying?
Yeah, we're on our way.
Nice, I will wait.
Oh yeah, right there.
You can go straight on or to the left. There's nothing to the right. No, there's nothing here. Oh, I didn't check
Oh,
the room.
dudes. Hey,
Everything.
just some dude. No,
Ah.
you know, now he's a dude with a bullet in his neck. Another locker for anyone.
Well, that was all.
For I am kind.
Nothing more. Hey,
No. Right.
wait a sec. There's one fan you can wreck.
Another
Hmm.
room here.
Where?
Oh.
We have seen enough. Are we ready to go on to the next chapter
Yeah, let's
of
do
our
it.
lives? The giant monkey face.
I really, really, really want to kill that guy.
Yeah, he talks too much.
Oh, because he looks like a goddamn orangutan. And he talks directly into my brain. Oh, by the way, how do you like my the colors on my gun?
Nice.
Pink and gold, baby.
Pink and gold.
Someone gonna press the button or is everyone gonna
I'm
press the button?
seriously trying. Oh, there we go.
Uh,
Oh!
Nice one.
Got one.
Get clam.
We're in the same room like 2 minutes ago.
Wait.
Oh, I need to go up. What?
So there are a lot of people here. I'm gonna wait for you.
Don't worry.
Let's do this.
Are you ready?
Stand up.
Oh dear.
No,
Cutscene.
don't skip.
Notice.
I was just about to lay the hurt on these guys.
Strike to the Grenier.
No, we won't.
Lol, I already downed him and you popped the shield.
Target acquired. Take them down.
You will join us, one way or another.
Where is he? Cheeky bastard.
Your corpse will serve us well.
Would you just die already, dude?
Tenno, look. The
Thank
Express
you.
detonator is just disintegrated. It's as if it was directly connected to Vor. You're done here. Go to
Uh-oh.
extraction.
I don't want to run.
Bye.
Oh, I was just aiming at him.
Let's GTFO! Well, if you seriously want to present your face like that.
One moment here. Outside me.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
you're waiting for the elevator.
Oh, yeah.
I
I
walked
thought
up.
he was still downstairs, but he was already up here. Skipping some boxes here.
Ah. Oh.
Ah! Fell down.
The alarm is going on.
Hey, how's it hanging? I
Sorry
can't
about
believe I actually missed that one.
I missed it too. The first one.
Ow. Bastard knocked me off this goddamn stairs. Yeah. What the hell just happened?
Rank up 6.
Some of them are so strong, they need like 6 arrows, and the other one just 1.
I think it's something to do with, you know, the type of damage and the mitigation you get. Like if they
Yeah.
have shields or armor, that depends on whether you damage them or not.
Yeah, and how much momentum, I think. If you slide and shoot, it looks
Oh,
like it does
in the
more
back of the room.
damage.
Anyone else?
Yes, here. Ah, down. Ah, I'm back.
We want more. We want more.
Wow.
Yeah. That's what they call flanking, baby. I hear them slaughtering guys over there.
Are you ready, peeps?
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
Come on, go! Get out!
Do that.
We have to get out of here.
Oh, I'm down here.
Whee!
Good or no?
I made it the first time.
Oh, of course, yeah, you can do the double jump zooming thing.
Nobody saw that.
Target down. Assassination contract complete. Great work, team.
Nice work, guys. Hey,
Yeah.
girl.
We're doing well.
I really love the sniper rifle. You know why?
No? So?
Because this time I did most damage instead of the least.
Damn.
20% damage taken.
Got another ammo drum. Don't know what for. I already have one.
You've done it, Tenno.
We did pretty
Voris
good, man.
Ascaris is gone.
Ruby.
You are free now. But your work has just begun. The origin system
24,000
is in
credits.
chaos, and it needs you, Tenno.
Okay, we'll do one more.
Just
Vor
one?
is just a part
Just
of
one.
a mere
man.
machine,
Just
and we
one.
have seen that the Corpus have begun amassing weapons of their own. It is a dangerous time.
Ordis will gladly assist the operator in cutting a bloody path in whatever mission they choose.
We will be at your side. There will be Tenno, vast numbers of Grineer ghouls are breaking ground
Okay,
near
I'm all-
Ceres. Kanzu
got
requests
3
any
unread
assistance you can
messages.
provide.
Messages. I think this is all, you know.
Quest
We're done with
complete.
the tutorial. Now the real game starts. Oh, yeah, and here's all the info you need for all the add-ons we made over the years.
The game didn't started yet.
Mastery rank up. Yes, I'm ready.
It's a pretty big game for a free game.
Cannot be
No, no.
tested while mission squad is active.
34,000. Okay.
No. I really want to see if I can actually buy something with the
Quest
50,000 credits that I
Followers
have.
prize. What?
Yeah.
Did you boys get the quest 4's prize? My queens, you were right. The Tenno treat is real. We found one drifting near
Yeah.
Hugo. Okay. I got a prize, the first one in my life. Yay. I'm so excited.
Machine gun.
Ordis wonders,
And I just
what are
can't
you
hide
thinking
it.
about?
Uh-oh. Stop this.
Ramat.
Drone melee. New. Okay.
Force price. No.
Some of these weapon designs are so weird.
Yeah.
Mijn sniper ziet er echt cool uit.
I know, man.
I don't know.
You.
Waar kun je andere wapens kopen?
Buy another gun. Yeah.
At the
Operator, you have remembered well
Market.
how the Tenno arm
no, you go
themselves.
to your arsenal,
No, it's yours.
and then you go to your weapon equip, and you can buy some weapons there.
Yeah, but you
Of-
first
of-
need the currency.
There are some
But
weapons
if
you
you-
can buy with the other one, but I don't like those.
No, if you just press buy, purchase, you get the option to purchase a blueprint with the blue stuff.
Oh, and then you can craft it, right?
So I think it's possible to buy all guns with it, but I don't know how hard it is to get the requirements for it. Well, for this gun I only need alloy plates, 400. So it must not be that hard.
Let me check.
I really want to buy a gun.
Yeah.
Not enough components.
Did you guys get the mastery rank up?
I got 4.
Okay, yeah.
At your menu?
I think I like this gun, the
Hey, homie.
Latron. A highly efficient rifle that performs well at medium and at long range. Accuracy making it a deadly weapon in the hands of a skilled marksman.
Maar als je
Hmm.
een blueprint hebt,
That
Sorry,
is
good in
good.
English, man.
Blueprint is 20,000.
Ah. That's affordable.
I need money.
als je nou zo'n ding hebt gedaan,
So you
okay.
probably have to... What?
You can sell the cards, the mod things. You can sell them for the coins. So that's how you get more coins to buy your weapons.
Nah, I'm not gonna. I still like the sniper rifle enough.
I'm not gonna buy
Everybody
any
ready,
weapons
guys?
for now. This is good for now. So.
Yeah. We're slaughtering them by the
It's
bush.
too easy right now. So what
Yeah.
can you do?
I think I look sexy.
Nice.
Me too. It's like I'm, a gimpy guy wearing a green bodysuit. It's weird though. Gonna make my sword pink.
Is everybody ready for a new game?
If you press escape, do you also have mastery rank up?
A fearsome appearance.
It's
Operator.
glowing,
You
but
will strike terror
on
in your
my
enemies.
screen.
Are you ready to come in?
Yeah,
you cannot be
When
but you have to do it solo.
when you press what? Escape.
You may
rank.
also practice for this test by visiting Capelong's Chimeras in a real life. But where is he?
If you do it, you get 50 void tray storage, 1 minimum mod capacity. Jesus.
By the way, guys, if you look out the window, do you also see 3 ships?
I'm gonna look.
Don't know.
4. I see 4.
4?
3.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
got
four.
one.
yeah, there's one at the back, a green one.
Yeah, the big one, but I mean like the ones that we're in.
Do you see me wave?
Nope.
No,
Oh yeah. Oh,
your
yeah.
glass is tinted.
You're mooning.
Yeah, how did you see that?
I'm waving my
Keep your
purple
pants on.
gun,
Nah,
my pink
Keep your
gun.
pants on.
I like them hanging.
Anyway, everybody ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, I see another one.
Yeah, but
Where
I
do we go
don't
now?
know what.
I think it's
Nice.
raining in Africa.
Made in Africa. Not in China.
Oh, I see Africa. It's raining there. See?
So I have nothing new.
So,
Or Venus Junction. This is a single player mission.
Yeah, the mission in your escape menu.
Yeah, you need to go do a certain amount of things. Yeah, we need to do this mission.
No, I don't want to.
Let's kill some more bad boys.
Yeah.
I hope you get some more.
More what?
People to kill.
get 30 kills.
Get 3 kills within 2 seconds.
Oh my god. My
Our
gun is
position
looking
has been
bad.
compromised. Defend
Get
the
20
cargo
kills
until
with your
reinforcements
pistol.
arrive.
I don't have a pistol.
Lol.
Or do they just mean they're my secondary? I hope.
Can't you just like replay the first mission and switch? Actually, isn't this like the same mission, sort of?
No, right? Oh no.
What the hell is this?
Okay.
Slaughterhouse.
Defend
I
the
think this is the
target,
review.
okay.
We have to defend this or something?
Yep. I can't see my mini map because of the
Ah, your
because
face.
of my webcam in the screen.
Yeah.
Well,
Ah,
I need,
yeah, it
I
works
need a
with, like,
challenge. you know.
Secondary.
Complete affinity 5000. Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, I fell down.
Don't do that.
Good.
There's seriously a lot of dudes.
Yeah, a lot more. Finally, some action. What is this thing doing?
Okay. Are we doing like a wave clear thing, or?
Yeah.
The wave's coming, but I
don't
see
know.
2, but where?
There you go.
Ah, bitch.
Wave
He's
clear.
running away.
Oh. Poor little fella.
Give him some ass whooping. I don't see any more.
Okay, lol.
Now it's dead.
They all sound like warlords. Yeah, almost pirate.
There's some different guys here too.
Yeah, 5,000 credit. Whoa. That explosion.
What's up here?
Ah, they're throwing bombs at it. Well, now I can use my bow again.
What's up here? What's this shit?
Ah, there.
So, end of the second wave, I guess. Yeah.
Another one clear.
How many waves, though? It says
I
defend the
don't know.
target, wave 3.
So the shield is complete, I guess. The bar
Yeah.
on it, or is that
Well, we need to go to 2000, I think. Oh, there are the
This
shoots.
game has some serious lag issues because I shoot them and right straight to the face and nothing happens, and then I miss and they die.
That's not good.
Oh, that's why I'm hitting so much.
Lol. Yeah, guys, just try to act like stormtroopers.
Oh,
How about you shut up, okay?
he's running, bitch. Get back.
Ooh. I think it, yeah. Now it's back at.
Dum 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 dum.
I love the screaming as well. Ah! And
Where are
I
they?
love the detail that when you cut them in half, you cut them really in half. You see two body parts lying there.
Yeah, Gore and Gibbs. Where are they? Come on, you pansies. Oh, some are here. Ah. Oh my god, this is so stupid.
Where are you going?
Wave cleared.
Oh, no, you guys got him.
No.
I can't get back up. He can, though. Why can't I... Stop shooting me for just a second. There we go.
How much more guys are gonna come?
Oh, wow, I'm down. Shit.
What, you're down?
Yeah, I think.
Every fight.
Ah, I'm down as well. Oh shit.
Wow. Don't worry. There's the challenge we're looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah, finally, some action.
Come on.
Headshot, bro.
Wave cleared, baby. How
Wave
much time
clear.
we have left? I mean, seriously.
Guys, don't forget to pick your items up.
Uh-huh. Her. What is that? The big glowy ball thing. So one of your abilities?
It pushes enemies to it.
May not get
It's my level 2 ability.
How do you...
Do it, and it acts like a shield. If they attack it, it's gonna do double the damage back to them.
It's almost dead now. Wait,
How
did
do-
you just shoot the guy's head out of its skin? That's
Really?
amazing, yeah.
Really? Yeah.
Where's the body? Show me. Where are you?
Heh.
Extraction is ready.
Oh!
Unless you can handle
Battle.
more of the
Ah, relic.
Oh, we can do more.
Yeah, better for sure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna better.
Let's see what we can do.
Another opportunity to
hungry for more.
extract will appear soon.
Easy.
I'm hungry. I'll go get again.
I'm hungry for some
There
kills.
they come.
Kill them. Oh, they're getting stronger by the minute. Yeah, likey.
Ah. I think we're best off staying inside this circle.
Yeah.
My number 3 ability is so cool.
Is it ready yet?
It's like a massive amount of AoE damage. Where's the last dude?
Yeah, I got him here.
Oh, there's the last one.
Killed it.
Eat sword and die! Awesome.
Yeah, I like it. Normally I do not like this kind of games, but I like this slaughterhouse. I'm down.
I'm sure that when, you know, experienced players look at this video, they'll go like, oh my god, these guys are such noobs.
What are you doing?
What a moves. Maybe. I don't know. We shall see.
Well, as long as I can continually one-shot everybody with the sniper rifle
Yeah.
and never run out of ammo, that's fine.
There's someone at my door. Can someone protect me a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
One moment for someone at the door, but be right back.
What? Let's just wait before we kill the last one.
Yeah.
He's just standing over there. Hey, let's get a group shot.
I'm back.
For the YouTube video.
Waar staat hij dan?
Okay. Okay, like this. Missing one. Yeah. Could Evil, can you come stand between me and God? Yeah. Oh no! Don't move! Don't move! Look at where I'm looking.
This guy.
Ik zie hem niet, waar is hij dan?
I guess it'll have to do. All right.
Nah,
Yeah,
we'll
I
do
need
it.
this.
Can't take too long.
Yeah.
Well, I need to get back.
Sometimes I really don't understand how the aiming system works. I shoot them in the face and literally nothing happens.
Oh, yeah. It seems that if I move a lot, they die faster.
Yeah, and suddenly they go all the way up the... They spaz out and then they're like on top of the ledge they were standing next to. Seriously! Dude! Die!
Oh, last one. Where are you? Oh, there. Come on, buddy, die.
Okay, next one, extraction we're gonna do.
Yeah.
We're gonna cut the video. I think some of them are quite long, but that's okay.
Ah.
little break, 15-20 minutes of the
Yeah.
so everyone can go to the toilet and take some drinks and food.
I don't want to smoke on camera when I'm making YouTube videos. I've been making
No.
making them for like almost 2 hours, I think.
I think it's even illegal. Or
Is it?
at least gonna be.
Is it though?
Unless you name it in the doggy.
Yeah.
I just don't want to.
No. It's a nasty habit, so it's better.
I don't want to make you jealous, but it's rolling.
Where are they? There you are. Bye bye, discount Space Marines. Oh, fuck. There you go.
I like my step off.
Yeah. Oh, they got the shield guys now.
Yeah? Oh, cool. Some new enemies.
Yeah, upgrade. So far, still pretty easy.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
Lol.
They're not the brightest.
Hello?
They've got snipers. Bye.
Whoa.
Ow. What was that?
It looks like some grenades.
Yeah, they got grenadiers and shields and snipers. Melees. Where are they? One. Two.
No.
Be quiet, you.
Reinforcements
Okay.
available. Do you
Let's
choose
extract.
Excellent.
or
Wave
continue
10.
fighting?
Okay.
Make them work.
Fine.
We're done here. The extraction team will take over from here. Time to
Ooh.
evacuate.
Rank 9, 8.
Diamond
10.
skin. 7.5% radiation resist.
Ah.
And blunderbuss. Critical chance for the shotgun. Ah, 37% of the damage done, baby.
Nice. Oh, it's a sniper.
Booyah! Yeah, just run up to him with a sniper rifle. All you have to do is, you know, pull the trigger and say hello.
To my little friend.
And if that fails because of the, you know, the weird clipping issues, just press 3 and everybody dies. Also, most damage taken though.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, I like this game. It's good for, you know, a couple of rounds of just mindless fun and just, you know, going out and
Yeah.
doing some fast killing.
And it works really well.
Yeah, it runs extremely smooth. I love it. I think I might actually see if I can up the ante a little bit more with the graphics, because I can
Operator,
do a
the
little
system
bit
needs you.
more.
Will you
What?
begin another mission?
Nah, we're not doing another mission. This is the end of part 3, and you know, we'll do some more some other time. That's fine. I mean,
Wow.
it's WarFrame. You can just keep on playing and playing and playing. So, hey, first time, and as far as I'm concerned, this was a great success. And now I really need a break. So yeah, see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Lights off.
You guys can say goodbye too if you want.
See ya. Bye.
Later.